वालों, तुम लोग जूता बेचना बंद करो
और खासकर एयर जॉर्डन तो बिल्कुल
हाँ
मत
एयर
करो।
जॉर्डन्स मत बेचो, कुछ भी मत बेचो।
So welcome to the third episode of The Sneaker Show. I am Suvansh and today we have with us Mihir Joshi. Ideally I do the intro, but when we have the host with us, so why should I? So Mihir, over to you.
Hey, thank you guys for having me here. Super happy to be here on the Sneaker Show. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि I'm on the other side of the table for a change. I host a talk show called the MJ Show जिसपे आपके सारे favorite singers आ चुके हैं. Everybody from Sonu Nigam to Amit Trivedi, Vishal, Shekhar, Kailash के सब लोग आ चुके हैं. I've been a singer. I have a blues and rock and roll band. We put out our debut album Mumbai Blues a few years ago. And मेरा पहला हिंदी गाना अभी आने वाला है इस साल, which I had the pleasure to do with the incredible Leslie Lewis. And apart from that, I've done radio for about 8 years. मेरी शुरुआत हुई थी रेडियो के साथ. And the reason you see a ton of WWE stuff over here is because I do the Hindi commentary for WWE on Sony 10. That's my professional side. But now in this year, during the lockdown, I've also become a sneakerhead, a sneaker collector, which is why I'm here today with Suvansh on the Sneaker Show. There you go.
So we firstly thank you for just accepting the offer for being on the show. Let's get straight into sneakers.
Yes, of course.
So firstly, okay, I'll go back a bit. So how this started? Like कि क्या हुआ? Because you are of a really good age and getting into sneakers like कहते हैं बच्चे करते हैं तो आजकल. So what attracted you? Like what got you into it?
I've been 20 साल से मैं कलेक्टर रहा हूँ. As you guys can see पीछे यहाँ पे मेरे comic books हैं. Sneakers happened, I think it was a combination of the lockdown and me watching the documentary called The Last Dance on Netflix. तो वो जब मैंने देखा मुझे हमेशा मालूम था कि Air Jordans as sneakers exist. मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था, when I was a kid, जूते मिलने बहुत मुश्किल थे. It's not like you could walk into a mall or whatever or into a store and buy a Jordan.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा Reeboks होते हैं.
Reebok, basic Adidas जूते, basic Nike के जूते. That was what was available. You didn't get these fancy sneakers जो collectible level के sneakers हैं, वैसे तो नहीं मिलते थे. So for me, when I thought that okay, I want to get into it, मैंने सोचा यार I don't really know how to get into it, but I found out about Super Kicks. That was देखो, I was so simple at that point. मुझे जूता मिला, उसके साथ उन्होंने क्या कहते हैं स्टिकर भेजा, तो मैंने वो स्टिकर निकाल के भी जूते के बॉक्स पे लगा दिया था. But yeah, this was the first sneaker I got. It got me started off. You may think of them as bricks or whatever, but I absolutely love these sneakers. My first Jordan 1 in my collection was the University Gold Jordan 1 Low, and I was super excited about it. But while this was the first, this was not the first sneaker that I really wanted to have as a part of my collection. So yes, this was actually the sneaker that kind of got me started off in a big way. These are obviously the mids, क्योंकि highs मिलना तो बहुत मुश्किल है इंडिया में.
I'm sorry I'm interrupting. Do you get into that fight of mids कि मतलब कहते हैं ना कुछ है नहीं इज्जत?
नहीं यार, वो तो है. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि यार mids are not cool and see the way I look at it is अभी recently Jordan put up a photo of him wearing mids, the heat reactive mids, and everybody was like अभी Michael Jordan ने mids पहने तो अभी कौन बोलेगा कि these are not cool. Abhi, for instance, I'm wearing the Polens. Okay, these are great quality sneakers. I don't know why they're not selling at a higher price. Maybe बहुत सारा stock आया, इसीलिए सबको जिसको खरीदना था उसको मिल गया. Which is a great space. मैं तो कहूँगा यार Nike हमेशा आप ऐसे ही करो कि अगर अच्छे भी जूते आ रहे हो इतने ढेर सारे दे दो कि हर कलेक्टर को जिसको लेना है वो ले सकेगा. They don't have to pay like astronomical resale values for the sneakers.
Like we have this. Okay, the UNCs.
Yeah, man. These are beautiful sneakers. I was lucky enough to get these at a great deal. From a reseller, and I've been working with a lot of resellers, figuring out a way in which I can get a great deal for myself and help them in the process as well. Because see, my work, the way
I want to hold them.
the way
So I think so I know थोड़ा सा about my audience. They all love Jordan 1 hats. I think it's like almost like सबके साथ same ही है.
Correct.
So I see lot of them. So start करते हैं उनसे.
Sure, of course आपने सामने ही देखा ये वाला, which is the UNC Jordan 1 high, which is actually one of my favorite in terms of quality as well. See, आप लोग तो सोच रहे हो कि यार इस जूते के बारे में इतना क्या खास है कि 35,000 40,000 का है. आप जूता हाथ में लोगे ना आपको फर्क मालूम पड़ेगा between this shoe and any other shoe that is there. I'm going to show you all my Jordan 1 highs फटाफट करके. These are the patinas which I love. I got these cream laces on them. Completely love these sneakers. My wife loves it and my 3-year-old baby boy loves it as well. So I cannot complain about
Thank
these
you.
at all. Empty box with a whole bunch of laces. These was
Have you thought about replacing these white laces with pink?
हाँ, तो मैंने शुरुआत में पिंक डाले थे और पिंक निकाल के मैंने व्हाइट डाले because I thought the white ones looked fantastic. This box is empty because it has a sneaker that is my son's favorite sneaker, which is over here, the Jordan 1 High Metallic Gold. It's such a beautiful sneaker. Like मैंने सोचा था कि यार patent leather का कोई भी जूता लेना हो, this is the one that I wanted to get. Completely love this sneaker.
So इसके actually pictures में लगता था कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा होता है ना, वो अगर मैं बिल्कुल बोलूं चमकता हुआ टाइप सा होगा, बट वैसा नहीं है ये. दिस कैन एक्चुअली बी पुल्ड ऑफ.
सो अगर
सो इफ यू प्लान टू बाय इट, गो फॉर इट.
100%. लाइक मैं तो मेरे पूरे कलेक्शन में एक ही पैटर्न लेदर शू है, एंड दैट इज दिस वन बिकॉज़ आई रियली लव्ड इट, एंड आई कांट वेट टू वेयर दिस ऑन एन एपिसोड ऑफ द एमजे शो और मे बी व्हेन आई एम परफॉर्मिंग और सिंगिंग समवेयर, तब मैं ये जूता पहनूंगा. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट शू. द नेक्स्ट स्नीकर दैट आई हैव is in this.
You like keep your pairs like this.
So my friends at Street Sense, they sent me some of these bags, and I like the idea of keeping them in the bags and keeping them nice and clean. This in fact यार मेरे पास इतने सारे जूते हैं जो अभी तक मैंने पहने नहीं. Fortunately now things are opening up and मैं हर एक एपिसोड में हर एक चीज में कुछ नया पहनने की कोशिश करता हूँ. These are the shadows. The To be fair, the suede is not bad. The Nubuck part over here is quite good, but the black leather is the part that everybody has a problem with. So it's not the greatest quality wise, but it's a good looking shoe यार. मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम लोग को, अगर ये लिया नहीं है अभी
ले सकते हो, बहुत अच्छे रेट मिलेगा. And by the way, shout out to Street Sense. आज I think the day today we are recording, I think today is
2 years.
Yeah. So today is 1st October, and shout out to Sagar. उन्हें I think 2 years हो चुके हैं ना?
Yeah, 2 years. So वो इन्होंने मुझे ये भेजा था, उन्होंने उनका एक स्टोरी भी दिया था मुझे. I loved it and congratulations guys. 2 साल हो चुके हैं तुम लोगों को.
We have never met but we keep on interacting on chat कई बार.
No, and really sweet guys, genuinely sweet guys, and shout out to them. Let's see what is up.
Guys, this is not paid promotion.
नहीं यार, this is all love. I mean, nobody's getting paid to do anything about sneakers right now.
I got these. हम लोग veg non-veg के बाहर we queued up and we got it, and वो video also went really well and pair तो crazy high.
Man, I love these. These were my first highs which had yellow, and I wanted these laces क्योंकि ये lace जूते के साथ नहीं आए थे. So my friends, I think at Cups and Kicks, sent me these laces. Let's see what else is next. This is another sneaker that I was able to get from Super Kicks from their Heat page. I love the orange laces on them. They look so good. The electro orange sneaker, I think it's a pretty cool looking sneaker. Again, DS अभी तक पहना नहीं है. लेस तो डाल दिया पर अभी तक पहना नहीं है. Hopefully in one of my videos I will wear it soon.
I just want to say something, guys. I am not wearing my mids in this, so I get comments कि ना you in every video you wear your orange and black mids. So आज मैं नहीं पहना है मैंने.
अच्छा तुम्हारे पास वो shattered back?
Yeah, exactly.
अरे those are beautiful mids, man. Even the quality of those mids is really good. तो भाई complete love for you for those mids. Here's another shoe which gets a very bad rep, but it is fantastic. इसका leather quality is almost on par with UNC.
Undoubtedly. But sadly इनका resale भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. I don't know why.
भाई ये अच्छी बात है. अगर resale ज़्यादा नहीं है ना तो collectors जितने भी हैं खरीद लो अभी. Eventually लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा कि भाई ये अच्छे जूते हैं, इनका प्राइस बढ़ना चाहिए, तो बढ़ते जाएगा कि तुम लोग को अभी अच्छे प्राइस पे मिल रहा है. 18,000 पे मिल रहा है, 16, 18, 20 whatever जो मिल रहा है खरीद लो.
शायद मुझे तो आ गया समझ.
हाँ देखो, of course I love this box. Everything about the Poland is fantastic. I love the box. I want to give a massive shout out to my friends at Veg Non-Veg. मेरा जो box आया था, the outer box was perfect. Inner box पे ना maybe उनके warehouse में whatever छोटा सा एक छेद आ गया था. Got me a different cover and they gave me a cover. So both my pairs right now have pristine boxes.
It is disheartening sometimes कि जब टूटा हुआ box आता है ना, this happens with Adidas काफी ज़्यादा.
यार
लोग box में डालते नहीं है तो वो टूट जाता है रास्ते में.
भाई मैं तुम लोग को अभी यहाँ पे भी बता रहा हूँ, मैंने मेरे Instagram पे भी बहुत बार बोला है, Myntra वालों तुम लोग जूता बेचना बंद करो.
और खास कर Air Jordans तो बिल्कुल मत
Air Jordans मत बेचो, कुछ भी मत बेचो. Adidas वालों अगर आप आपके वेबसाइट पे डिस्काउंट करके जूते बेच रहे हो तो यार ऐसे मत सोचो डिस्काउंट दे रहे हो तो यानी जूते का बॉक्स का कोई मीनिंग ही नहीं है. यार कैसे आया मेरे पास मेरा सुपरस्टार्स, मैंने पहली बार मेरे लिए वाइफ के लिए मैंने सुपरस्टार्स खरीदे. उसका बॉक्स ना देखने लायक भी नहीं है, छोड़ो रखना तो अलग बात है, उसका देखने लायक भी बॉक्स नहीं है, इतना गंदा.
इसीलिए वो प्लास्टिक के क्रेट में पड़े हैं.
इसीलिए पीछे ये प्लास्टिक के IKEA के एक बॉक्स में मैंने रखे हैं मेरे सुपरस्टार्स. ओके, लेट मी शो यू माय फाइनल 2 Jordan 1s.
Yes.
This was the first pair that I picked up in my Jordan 1 highs.
Sorry, not Neutral Days, Tokyo.
Tokyo silver, multiple names for it, but man, These are
I
fantastic.
see you haven't rocked them.
I haven't rocked them. I can't wait to wear them. This was the first Air Jordan 1 High that I got. Also the first one which had come from StockX, because my friend, my my reseller friend, Heats for Street, who got this for me. Shout out to him. Bangalore-based guy called Gautam. He got it from StockX and he sent it to me with all the StockX stuff which was along with it. There was this.
उनका स्टिकर बड़ा प्यारा
हाँ,
है.
वो स्टिकर वो जो उनका जो टैग आता है वो भी कहीं पे यहीं पे था. But yeah, last pickup. This was actually my last
I
pickup.
got them at retail precisely from the site.
Yeah,
From Super Kicks, I think.
Yeah, I didn't get it on Super Kicks, but
Yes.
these are so beautiful.
Yeah.
Man. Like look
But
at them.
इनका ना एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम मैंने वीडियो में बोला था
हाँ.
नहीं ये गंदे हो जाते हैं मतलब घर
बहुत.
पे पहन के भी गंदे हो जाते
भाई
हैं
they are dust magnets. तुम पहनो immediately they are gonna get dirty. They are gonna get.
हाँ.
So I think there's a lot of love that you have to give these sneakers. तुम एक हफ्ते के लिए पहनो फिर संडे तुम्हारा दिन रखो जिस दिन तुम बैठ के उसको clean करोगे. So that's how you keep them in a relatively good condition. The other sneaker that I was able to get again from a reseller, which I was super excited about, were the Bad Bunnies. अच्छा by the way, a lot of इसका मैंने अभी तक अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो किया नहीं है तो मैंने ये बताया नहीं है, अभी इसी वीडियो में बता देता हूँ. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो सोचते हैं कि भाई ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली, जो एडिशनल चीज आती है ये क्या है. दिस इज इसेंशियली a detachable tongue. If you see this, there are two tongues over here. One is this one और उसके नीचे एक है जिस पे Adidas का लोगो है. I don't know if you guys can see it, but here it is.
They will put the close shots.
So this is one and this is the Adidas मोटा वाला tongue under that. ये जो ऊपर वाला जो है जिसके ऊपर बैड बनी का लोगो है ये निकलता है. It has these three buttons like this और ये आप डाल सकते हो. तो ये वाला जो है वो प्लेन टंग है और ये वाला जो है उसमें ये ऐसे होल्स है जिसके थ्रू आप लेसिंग अलग किस्म का लेसिंग कर सकते हो. दिस इज वन वे ऑफ लेसिंग इट and using this as a secondary tongue is another way of lacing it.
I want to ask you this, मेरे को अभी एकदम से स्ट्राइक किया
हाँ.
कि how does your wife take this? मतलब मेरा एक नोन है और मतलब छोड़ो मैं कहानी को क्या बताऊंगा, but how does your wife take this?
when you are a collector for 20 plus years, it's just like उसके दिमाग में ना एक वो ट्रैक रहता है पटरी रहती है उसको बस इधर से इधर कर दी. ऐसा अब तक पैसे जा रहे थे on comic books and statues, बाहर से हटके यहाँ पे sneakers पे आ चुका है. मैंने one of my few dunks that I have is the dark curry dunks, and I was not sure कि यार लेना है या नहीं लेना है. My wife saw it, she's like, are you nuts?
I think ये I think ये आपने सारे सिर्फ 1 year में कलेक्ट करे हैं.
हाँ, actually since January this year.
Guys, तो मतलब हमें इसका एक और पार्ट बनाना पड़ेगा with Mihir Joshi after couple of years क्योंकि ये तो बढ़ने वाला है.
हाँ नहीं, but yeah, these are spectacular sneakers, man. They are so comfortable. इनका जो material है वो इतना अच्छा है. It's the most premium quality suede that I have. Like literally, I can't even think of a Jordan 1 जिसका quality.
But this Mumbai weather ना actually spoils it यार. मतलब बहुत disheartening होता है. लेकिन
बारिश में नहीं पहनना है. बारिश में तो नहीं पहनूंगा मैं ये जूता. But I've worn these. I've worn these and I really love them. And the only other dunks that I have are these, which are the free 99 dunks. Beautiful, colorful sneaker. और इसको matching करने के लिए I got this for my wife. I got her the candy dunks.
So these are different, right?
थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा अलग है.
जिसे नहीं पता उसे आइडिया नहीं लगेगा.
So hers are pastel colors and mine are brighter, what do you call it? Primary colors. So yeah, that's the difference. But yeah.
And I see Nike by you as guys बहुत सारे we just try to cover as many as possible.
Okay, last sneaker for today. आपको Jordan 1s देखने थे वो तो देख लिया आपने, dunks भी देख लिए.
जो कुछ अलग है वो मैं बताता हूँ. So Nike by you. So guys, there is this मतलब mostly लोगों को पता होगा. Everybody would be aware. That you can actually customize your sneakers on Nike's website. And like मैं काफी टाइम से try कर रहा हूँ, but they are mostly sold out. Most of the time sold out. And I think this is you have tried to get this in Chicago colorway.
I did. I got the exact Chicago colorway. ये देखो Chicago Jordan 1 खरीदने जाऊँगा तो वो तो बहुत महंगा होगा. किसी दिन maybe 2022 में they will do a retro of a Chicago Jordan 1 again. और तब मिलेंगे. पर अभी तो यार मैं भाई 1 लाख रुपया देके Chicago 1 नहीं खरीदने वाला हूँ. So I said okay, until I do that, why don't I make my own Chicago colorway? तो मैंने Air Force 1s बनाया because Air Force 1s are genuinely very comfortable shoes to wear. And I got it customized with my initials, which is MJ, and it's perfect because MJ works for me and it also works for Michael Jordan. So these are Air Force 1 MJs that I've made. So this is another really cool.
I just want to know something about this. That आपको ये like you customized it. उसके बाद आपको कितना time लगा इन्हें deliver होने में?
I think it took about a month.
Because फिर काफी time लगता है मैंने सुना है.
Apart from that, I have a few Jordan 5s. I have one Jordan 3. I have the Asics Otoro is another sneaker that I highly recommend. यहाँ पे नहीं है. They are always in my car. That's the collection, guys.
there's a lot more, but we'll make part 2 when the collection is even bigger. So Meet, thank you so much for it's a great help, great support, and obviously we loved your collection. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you so much.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye.